अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं खट्टी दाल। दाल बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 2 tomatoes cut uneven, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon haldi, 1 onion chopped, 2 green chillies, 1 spoon zeera methi and a few cloves of garlic, a small ball of tamarind soaked in warm water, oil. I've taken 2 drumsticks, half cup of Tuvar Dal soaked, coriander leaves and seasoning ingredients, red chillies, curry leaves, onions and garlic. Add all the ingredients into the cooker except the tamarind, the oil and the seasoning ingredients. Add 2 glasses of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles. Let the pressure cool down on its own. Open the lid. The dal is nice and soft, the tomatoes also. Now you need to blend the ingredients. I'm using a hand blender. You can even use a masher. Don't make it like a paste, let it be a little grainy. Add the tamarind water. I've used 1 cup of tamarind water. Mix well. Salt has already been added earlier, so there's no need to add more salt. Add the drumstick. Close the lid and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Release pressure. Let the pressure cooker cool down on its own. Dal is done. Now only seasoning is left. Put a pan on high heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add the mustard seeds. As soon as the mustard seeds splutter, add the curry leaves, the red chillies and the onions and a few cloves of finely cut garlic. Saute well. Once it's done, add the dal to the pan. Mix well. Cover with a lid so that the seasoning ingredients mix well with the dal. Keep it for at least 15 minutes. Now garnish with coriander leaves. This is a final look. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.